Have you ever looked at a crack in a wall and wondered whether it was harmless or a warning sign of something much more serious? Every year, buildings around the world suffer structural failures. Many of these failures do not happen without warning. In fact, buildings often show clear signs of distress long before a major collapse occurs. The problem is that most people do not recognize these warning signs until it is too late. In this video, I will show you 10 structural red flags that may indicate a building is in danger and explain what each sign could mean. If you own, occupy, manage, or plan to buy a building, this information could help you identify problems early and take action. Let's begin. The first warning sign is diagonal cracking. Diagonal cracks commonly appear near doors, windows, and corners of walls. These cracks can indicate foundation settlement or structural movement. When part of a building moves more than another part, stress develops in the walls, causing cracks to form diagonally. Not every crack means collapse is imminent. However, wide diagonal cracks that continue to grow deserve immediate attention. If a crack is increasing in length or width, do not ignore it. The second red flag is sagging beams or floors. A beam or floor should generally appear straight. If you notice a floor dipping in the middle or a beam visibly bending downward, the structure may be overloaded or deteriorating. Sagging can result from excessive loading, poor construction, corrosion of reinforcement, or long-term structural fatigue. A sagging member should always be investigated by a qualified structural engineer. The third warning sign is a leaning column. Columns are critical structural elements because they carry loads from the upper parts of a building down to the foundation. A column that appears tilted, displaced, or out of alignment may indicate foundation movement or structural distress. Even small movements can become serious if they continue over time. Visible leaning should never be ignored. The fourth red flag is exposed reinforcement. Steel reinforcement should normally be protected by concrete. When reinforcement becomes visible, moisture and air can reach the steel. This can lead to corrosion. As steel corrodes, it expands, creating internal pressure that causes cracking and spalling. Once corrosion begins, structural capacity may gradually decrease. This is a serious sign that the building skeleton is being compromised. The fifth warning sign is large wall cracks. Small hairline cracks are common in buildings. However, large cracks, especially those wider than a few millimeters, may indicate structural movement. Pay particular attention to cracks that extend through walls, continue across multiple surfaces, or increase in size over time. The pattern of cracking often tells engineers important information about the source of the problem. The sixth red flag is wall bulging. A wall should generally remain straight and plumb. If a wall begins to bow outward or inward, instability may be developing. Bulging can result from excessive loading, foundation movement, moisture damage, or failure of structural connections. A bulging wall can sometimes fail suddenly. This condition requires urgent assessment. The seventh warning sign is foundation settlement. Signs may include uneven floors, cracked walls, distorted openings, or gaps between building components. Settlement occurs when the soil supporting the foundation compresses. Common causes include poor soil, water infiltration, or nearby excavation. Foundation problems often worsen if left untreated. Do not wait for the building to settle further. The eighth red flag is rust stains on concrete. Brown or reddish stains on concrete surfaces often indicate corrosion of embedded steel reinforcement. Although the stain may appear minor, it can be an early sign of deeper structural deterioration. Corrosion weakens steel. Early intervention is usually much less expensive than major repairs later. Pay attention to the stains. The ninth warning sign is poor drainage and water accumulation. Water is one of the most common causes of building deterioration. Standing water near foundations can soften supporting soils. Proper drainage is essential for long-term building stability. Never ignore persistent water problems around a structure. Ensuring water moves away from your building is one of the best ways to protect your structure. The 10th red flag is unusual sounds. Cracking, popping, snapping, or creaking sounds can sometimes indicate structural movement. While some sounds are harmless, repeated noises accompanied by visible distress should be investigated. Buildings often communicate problems before visible failure occurs. If unusual sounds occur together with cracks, sagging, or movement, seek professional advice immediately. Remember, a single warning sign does not automatically mean a building will collapse. However, multiple warning signs occurring together should never be ignored. Early detection and professional assessment can prevent injuries, save lives, and reduce repair costs. If you notice any of the red flags discussed in this video, consult a qualified structural engineer as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Structural Red Flags TV for more practical guidance on building safety. Because when it comes to buildings, the best time to solve a problem is before it becomes a disaster. Thank you for watching.